Elegant design and purposeful engineering combine in the 2023 Volvo XC60, and the result is a distinctive option in the luxury SUV class. Along with its tastefully styled exterior, the XC60's cabin is an exercise in well-tailored minimalism. Think Prada meets IKEA. A trio of four-cylinder powertrains is offered: the 247 HP B5, the 295 HP B6, and the 455 HP T8 plug-in hybrid. All of are reasonably fuel-efficient and feel good from behind the wheel, with performance that ranges from perky to downright quick depending upon which powertrain you choose. Technology is prioritized too. Volvo includes popular driver assistance and safety features standard. We don't love the XC60's Google-based infotainment interface, but it works well enough even if it doesn't look particularly appealing. Other compact SUVs are more practical, especially the Audi Q5 and the BMW X3, which both offer more cargo space. But the Volvo's interior room isn't far off, and its strong curb appeal makes up for these minor shortcomings. Gone are Volvo's familiar Momentum, R design, and inscription trim levels for 2023, replaced by Core, Plus, and Ultimate trims that are essentially identical. Core and Plus models can be had with either a bright or dark exterior theme, the latter of which switches exterior chrome bits for high-gloss black ones. New wheel designs are available and a few features have been shuffled around, such as the air suspension, which is now only available on the Ultimate trim. Two new colors, Black Stone and Bright Dusk Metallic, are available, and Blonde City Weave Cloth Upholstery and Slate Napa Leather have both been dropped. We enjoyed the 316 HP T6 powertrain's peppy performance in our 2019 long-term XC60 test vehicle, so the similar 295 HP plus B6 is our recommended buy. The extra cost versus the base core trim is worth it here, with all sorts of features becoming standard. The Plus trim comes with prettier wheels, leather upholstery, a 360-degree camera system, and front and rear parking sensors. Volvo offers three different powertrains, B5, B6, and T8, in the XC60, all mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Under the hood of base B5 badged XC60s are a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and a 48-volt hybrid system making 247 horsepower. The B6 is powered by the same turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder as the B5, but a supercharger is added for more oomph. With 295 ponies in its stable, it feels peppier than models with the base B5. The plug-in hybrid T8 powertrain borrows the B6 engine and pairs it with a set of electric motors for a total of 455 horsepower in the Recharge models. The XC60 takes corners well, feels tied to the road while cruising, and changes directions with confidence, but doesn't inspire hooliganism like the Porsche Macan. The ride can feel a touch harsh when driving over rougher stretches of road, but on smooth sections, it's agreeable and calm.